Time to go to Arizona. Ty, you ready for Arizona?
Yeah.
You ready? Ready to fly in an airplane for your first time?
No.
Are you scared?
It's so warm.
Like, how do you feel about flying on an airplane for the first time?
Scared.
Scary? Scary. We saw a plane go straight up like Willy Wonka on a museum park.
Not yeehaw. Yeehaw.
Where are we?
Thank you. Thanks so much.
Cool.
Like that, we're in Arizona. How you doing back there, Brandy?
Got trapped in the back.
That looks all comfy. Hey Ty, for the young ones, get in the front seats. Tyler, do you think you're gonna be able to do Camelback?
Hopefully.
Look at that view. So, it's our first full day. We haven't really done anything. So now, we're hiking Camelback. Do you guys think we can do it? Well, we'll see. Let's start hiking. I'm already tired and want a little bit in. If you guys can see that, Ty and I just accomplished that staircase. But it's time to turn around. Not today. Good stop. Hey Brady, do you know what full sending is? What? Do you know what full sending is? No. Is it a full sending? It's just a full sending! Ooh. Our second full day out here in Arizona. We decided to take a day trip to Sedona. Now we're walking down Teacup Trail. I walked ahead of everyone in the hope to get up here and get some drone shots. But I also got some drone shots just a little bit earlier. It was all over the place, so check it out. side of this mountain. And look at that. I've gotten almost to the very top of this mountain. And can I just say, it is beautiful. We got cactus, we got the rocky path, we got this climb. Whew. And just like that, we are to the top. I have no clue what hikes or adventures we have along the way being in Arizona, but this sure is beautiful. Hopefully I can get my drone up in the air, and if I can, here are the shots for the drone. And after all that, Brandy, how was your walk up your hike? I know I was going, I'm like, am I there yet? Am I there yet? I'll get up to the next lift and I'm like, oh, there's another one. There's another one.
And I have to pee. There's a bathroom here.
Hey, you gotta pee. There's a good win right now.